screaming.
What happened? Don't cry. I can help you. Let's go.
Tweezers. Using the tweezers, let's remove all the insect RUMI hair. They are so messy. Ew, there are a lot of them. Perfect.
Hair.
Okay.
Whoa.
Under eye mask. Eye mask.
Facial mask.
Shampoo.
Lip mask. And
Acne cream. Facial wash.
Well done.
Let's begin. This face is full of ripe pimples. You can relax, RUMI. Try acne cream.
wow.
We're gonna apply this on the pimples. And then we just have to wait. What's inside?
Some flowers. Wow, it's beautiful.
That's better. Ew, blackheads.
I like it.
Let's begin. Next up, done. Go back.
And some flowers. Wow,
Yes! Go back. Alrighty. Blackheads. Gone and done. The eye mask.
Wow.
Look at those eye bags. They are begging for help.
wow. Wow.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's better.
Prettier and prettier. Good.
Ouch, my face.
Don't worry, I will help you.
You can't run away. Under eye masks too.
Good.
We just have to wait.
2, 3.
It's time for us to remove the under eye masks too.
Wow, thank you. Ew.
And don't forget the lips. Wow, I love this color. Perfect. We just have to wait. RUMI has bushy eyebrows. Now let's shape those eyebrows nicely. Ouch. Ouch. Sorry, RUMI. There's a lot of them. Your eyebrows will be prettier. Whee! Thank you so much.
Oh no, what happened to your face?
Facial wash.
Keeping clean.
Shake, shake, shake. Rub it well till it's foamy. Much better.
Well done.
Oh no, wait. Look at RUMI's hair. They are so messy. Now let's use shampoo to wash her hair. Rub the shampoo in gently. Her hair is so pretty.
Oh.
I like this one. Okay, let's go.
Awesome.
A little more mixing.
Yeah.
Facial mask.
Oh, that's so cute.
And ice globes. Ice globe massage time. Time to take it off.
Whoa.
Good.
Well done.
I like.
What's missing?
Yes.
Contact lenses. Wow. And some pretty makeup, of course. Amazing. That's awesome. Fabulous.
What about makeup? Okay.
That a mystery wheel spin? So, what's inside? Oh, wow, an eyebrow pencil.
Oh.
An eyebrow makeover using this stencil. That's just the perfect shape. Nice. We got a... Yay! It's a nice shade of pink lipstick. Let's try.
Okay lang.
Wow, shiny and pink.
Good.
Let's spin one more time. Face powder. Cool. Cool. It even comes with a cute powder puff. Perfect! Ooh, it smells so good. And it makes you look awesome too. Let's give it a spin. We got an eyeshadow palette. Wow, the shade suits you very well. To apply this, we'll need some brushes. Ah, this one. Let's blend and apply. Let's start. Now on the other eye. Nice. Next up. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, wow, it's a blush on. Let's put it on. Oh, so pretty. Let's apply it.
Good.
Is getting prettier and prettier. Have another. We got a... What? A cockroach. No. Try again. This time. Wow, a mascara tube. Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty. Let's try it on. I love it!
Oh.
Now on the other eye for long lashes. That's awesome! Look, it's a volumizing mascara for RUMI's lashes. That's awesome!
Good.
Well done.
We need some clothes. Let's see what we've... Do you like it? I love it so much. Oh, so pretty. Oh, when you gonna crown me? Oh, wow, amazing! Done! Of course, the pearl necklace. The dainty earrings next. Over! Yippee! But wait.
Whoa.
Yippee! Hello, guys. Put a thumbs up to help RUMI and Twin, please. Thank you, guys. Oh, wow.
I must go.
Let's have another spin. A banana? No way!